am proceeding to video analytics. Murat, Uğur, and I are the guys who have implemented the video analytics stuff together. And you're just seeing a screenshot. And for the video analytics part, something that most of the users are asking to us, how we can get the analytics, how we can do that. And we just use maybe some kind of partner solutions. And at the time, one of our users just asked us, they need this solution in their on-prem, so that we have created the video analytics. So for the question, for whom is video analytics is important? So I think especially for the premium services, I'm just going to give an answer for that one, because the current use case is coming from one of our lovely users, and he's just would like to charge his users according to the data transfer, according to duration and some similar things, so that he just defined the requirements and we will just implement such a solution. So just let me tell which analytics do we have. So we basically have two types of analytics. One of them is the publishing analytics, and the other one is the playing analytics. So for the publishing part, I mean, you can get the resolution of the stream, you can get the resolution, start time, end time of the stream, how much data transfer for that stream, the keyframes, number of keyframes intervals, and you can get the number of viewers of that stream. So you can collect these kind of information. For the playback, so again, you can get the subscribers or viewers start and end time, when they start watching, when they end watching, and the data transfer, how much data transfer they have used. You can have this information specific to the subscriber as well, or you can just collect all the information that how much a specific stream is being transferred to multiple viewers. So yeah, for the subscriber part, protocol is also important, because in some cases WebRTC is used for watching, in some cases HLS or Dash or similar things, so that it is also available in the analytics. And the last thing is the viewing minutes. So with the latest integration, you can measure how many minutes a specific stream has been watched. So you can maybe find out the total viewing minutes, or you can just find out which parts of the video is being most. So for your business insights. And for the stream of, as I mentioned a couple of maybe seconds ago, you can have the total data transfer for the streams and the VODs for playback stuff. So for the demonstration, I just would like to invite Murat. Murat, could you please take it and show the panel that you have created?
Yes, sure. I need to turn off my camera because sharing the screen, and just for your information. And okay, let's, yeah, hello guys. Let me introduce myself first. This is Murat, and I have been part of this team for 5 years. I am on support side. So now let's talk about new integration. We are transferring end media server analytics logs to New Relic. This is a structure we are currently developing, and we will be adding new graph and statistic. Also, you will be able to see customize this on the New Relic dashboard menu. It will be available in the marketplace site, and it is totally free. Also, let's talk to how it works. Okay, I want to talk how it works, and the log file is located at varlog and media under that folder, and its output is like this. Let me show you. Yep, it is JSON data, and we are parsing this data and showing in the New Relic site. Just for this structure, just need to install the New Relic CLI software and which file to process as a configuration file. That's all. Then the logs are transferred to New Relic. and then you can start processing them with NRQL. Yeah, then also I am already writing documents about these things, and you will be able to access it through our website. Now let's take a look at dashboards. Okay, now I will publish and I will play because some graph is not visible because there is no data. And yeah, sending. Give me a second, please. Okay, I am playing right now. Yeah, I am playing WebRTC Dash and WebRTC. In the first section, you can only see which app has how many viewers in which stream. You can see Dash, HLS, and WebRTC viewers from the section. And publisher statics. You can see information such as stream name, app name, protocol, video codec, audio codec, and also video resolution. Yes, this section, let me check. Yeah, you can see only when you start to publish and when you stop to publish. You can see here every thing. Yeah, this is, yeah. In the subscriber playback duration, in this section, you can see how long each subscriber has watched the stream. So, for example, this one, Murat, I used live app and stream one, and totally 22 minutes I watch. So next part per user total transferred. You can see total data transfer for each subscriber here, and you will see for megabytes. And this is actually external. I added randomly this part. Just you see when the user start to watch, you will see what time see it here. And this is also extra things you can use or you cannot use. So it means you can see when user started watching the stream, you can check here. And another one, another one the same. When user stopped watching the stream, you will see here. And yes, here, yes, in the subscriber statistics section, you can see subscriber ID, the protocol user watching, and client IP address. And another section, you can see the values keyframe in last minute and keyframe milliseconds for each stream. Also, this structure using NRQL, and you can also edit, or also you can generate any graphic by using this log files. So yeah, that's it from my side. I hope it has been helpful. And
Thank you very much, Murat, for the introduction and showcasing the stuff. What I would like to add, or what I would like to emphasize, is that we just make this for New Relic. You can do this with any kind of panel that you can use for such kind of analytics. So you can send the data there. All the data is being sent. And the important thing is that you have all the data, as Murat mentions. You can just create any kind of graphics, any kind of meaningful data for you by writing some kind of SQL-like statements. So, guys, thank you very much, Murat, for the introduction, for the implementation, for showcasing this stuff. I'm just returning back to the guys. Do you have any kind of idea, or would you like to have any kind of, would you like to ask some kind of questions? Please let us know.